Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to renew a driving license online for your Californian license. So let's get started. So first thing first, we have like 3 requirements and 5 criteria that you have to get done before you get online to renew your license. So first thing first, you must hold a valid Californian driver's license. And the second thing, your current license must not be suspended or revoked. And the third thing is you must not have any outstanding traffic tickets. And there is like 5 criteria that must match. And the first thing is you must be between 18 and 70. And number 2, your previous renewal was done in person. And number 3, there has been not any changing in your vision or there is not any new medical condition that you have. And number 4, that you did not change your personal information such as your name. And for number 5, your current driver's license must have been issued less than 2 years ago. And after that, you're gonna log in the DMV account, and then you gotta press on here. And then you have to press on renew. And after that, you scroll down and you press on renew driver's license. And then you scroll down and you press on here. And after that, it's going to log in your account. If you don't have an account, you have to create one. If you do have one, you have to sign in yours. And after that, it's going to give you a quick guide into how to do it. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.